are going to get discussed about the magnetic field by any current carrying circular loop and comparison with the electric field. Okay, magnetic field due to current carrying circular loop and comparison with electric field. Okay, so we know that magnetic field due to the circular loop like this was the circular loop whose radius is r, and magnetic field due to its some part of length at some point at a distance x, that is equals to, this is dB and this was dBx and this was dBy. So dB or magnetic field is equals to mu naught I r square upon 2 r square plus x square power 3 by 2. Okay, and if there are number of turns are capital N, so we can multiply it by the number of turns. Okay, and here x is greater, let me consider x is greater capital R, then comparison to x, R will be negligible. So according to this, B equals to mu naught I r square upon 2 0 plus x square power 3 by 2. So it can written as I r square upon 2 x cube. Okay, in this way we can write this, and B is equals to mu naught I into pi r square 2 upon 2 into 2 pi. Here multiplying and divided by 2 pi, हमने 2 पाई से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया और डिवाइड कर दिया, तो इससे इस तरह का ये फॉर्मूला आ जाएगा B इक्वल टू म्यू नॉट I इंटू 2 और ये हो जाएगा एरिया A, दिस इज द पाई आर स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 पाई एक्स क्यूब, एंड यू नो दैट B is equals to mu naught into 2 IA by 4 pi x cube, and this is the magnetic moment I into A. For here number of turns is 1 for single coil, so B is equals to mu naught into 2m mu naught by 4 pi 2m by x cube. Okay, this is the magnetic field in the axis. Okay, so if we compare like this for the electric field, comparison, that is E equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by r cube or x cube. So according to this, on comparison with electric field, here mu naught replaced 1 by epsilon naught, magnetic moment replaced into electrical dipole moment. Okay, or simply we can say that mu naught by 4 pi is replaced 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So on the comparison with the electric field, mu naught replaced into 1 by epsilon naught, magnetic moment will replaced into electrical dipole moment, or we can say that mu naught by 4 pi is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So according to this, in the same process, electric field in x-axis will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by x cube. So in the same way, Thus, electric field in equatorial condition, that is equal to Ey 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by x cube. Therefore, magnetic field also will be mu naught by 4 pi m by x cube. So in this way we will find magnetic field in x-axis and magnetic field in y-axis. Also we will obtain the same process in further topics. Magnetic field, whatever we are discussing in here, through the magnet, and this is the magnet, bar magnet, and an S whose length is 2L, and this is the charge polarity and its midpoint. So where we will calculate magnetic field in x-axis, that will be equals to mu naught by 4 pi 2m by x cube or r cube. And whenever we will calculate at r distance in y-axis, so this will be the magnetic field in equatorial line, mu naught by 4 pi m by r cube, whatever we will find in this topic. Okay, so these are two magnetic field which will solve in this way. And now let me discuss here the magnetic moment of revolving electron. Okay, magnetic moment of revolving electron. So let me consider here this is an atom whose charge is available at the nucleus. Q equals to Ze. This is the radius, and here electron means negative electron revolves around this surface of an atom with speed v. Okay, so here we know that I equals to Q by T. Okay, Q, the value of Q is equals to the, for an electron it is equals to the small e upon T. Okay, and but we know that magnetic moment is equals to denoted by capital M, and here also denoted by mu, that is equals to I into A. So mu or mu L, so mu L is equals to I into pi r square. Okay, so we can write this value mu L equals to value of I E by T into pi r square, whereas T equals to 2 pi r upon V. So mu L is equals to E pi r square upon 2 pi r upon V, and this will be this. So according to this, E pi r square V upon 2 pi r. Okay, so it will be cancelled out, pi to pi. So mu L is equals to E V r upon 2. Okay, here let an atom whose charge is Ze and its radius is r, here an electron whose charge is minus e is revolving at the surface of this atom with speed v. So here some current I will be equals to E by T, where T is equals to 2 pi r by V for one complete round. But we know that the magnetic moment capital M are also denoted to mu prefix में small l is equals to I into A for one cycle, one complete round, where A is area pi r square. So mu L is equals to E pi r square by T, and we can write this, the value of T is 2 pi r by v. So putting here the value of T, this v will come in upward. So mu L is equals to E v r by 2, and this is an electron whose charge is negative. You know, its charge is negative, so we can also write this mu L equals to minus E v r upon 2, or multiplying by mass in both denominator and numerator. So we can write this mu L is equals to minus E v r into me upon 2 me. Okay, so you know that mvr, it is equals to the capital L, means angular momentum of electron, angular momentum of an electron, because here we multiplying by me, so it is the angular momentum of an electron. So mu L is equals to minus E by 2 me into capital L. So mu L upon capital L is equals to minus E upon 2 me. Okay, and this is also is known as gyromagnetic ratio. It is known as gyromagnetic ratio. Okay, and it is the ratio of charge and mass. So its magnitude will be equal to 8.8 into 10 power 10 coulomb per kg, and this is known as gyromagnetic ratio. Okay, so magnetic moment of an electron in per unit angular momentum is known as gyromagnetic ratio, and its value is 8.8 into 10 raised to power 10 unit coulomb per kg. Okay, or if we solve the minimum value of this magnetic moment, so here mu L is equals to minus E upon 2 me into L, and you know that L equals to mvr equals to nh upon 2 pi. Okay, where h is the Planck constant. So whenever we will put this value mu L is equals to, for magnitude value, so E upon 2 me into nh upon 2 pi. Okay, so mu L will be equals to mu minimum for specific condition n equals to 1. Okay, एंड अब n की वैल्यू अगर 1 से ग्रेटर रखेंगे तो म्यू की वैल्यू इनसे ज़्यादा ही आएंगी. ड्यू टू दिस रीजन वी कैन से दैट दिस इज द मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ म्यू मीन्स मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट. सो म्यू मिनिमम विल बी इक्वल्स टू फॉर n इक्वल्स टू 1 into E into h upon 4 pi me, and you know that all the values here 1.6 into 10 power 19, and value of h is equals to 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 joule second, 4 into pi 3.14, and mass of electron 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. So after solving, this value of mu minimum is equal to 9.24 into 10 power minus 24 ampere meter square. This is the magnetic moment, the value of magnetic moment, and whose unit is ampere meter square. So mu minimum is equal to Eh upon 4 pi me, and putting all these value, so mu minimum is equal to 27. It is equal to 9.27 into 10 power minus 24, and it is the magnetic moment whose unit is ampere meter square. So in this way we will solve the minimum value of magnetic moment.